Hi, we all know that Excel has become a very crucial business tool for businesses and every professional's day to day activities. But my question is, how well do you use Excel? Do you use Excel just for additions and subtractions, just for tables and pivot tables? What if I tell you that you can use Excel to develop a model accounting software with no VBA coding experience? Yes, you heard me. No coding experience is required. All you need is interconnecting or linking the Excel formulas into developing it. My name is John Kofi Inketia, and in this episode, we are going to go through the functions of this Excel accounting model I have developed, the functionalities, and once we are done with that, we are going to develop everything from scratch. Yes, everything from scratch, step by step, and you following, we are going to learn a lot more about some functionalities that perhaps you have never thought of. Yes, so join me in this episode. In the next episode, we are going to go into the functions of this model that I have created. And once we are done, we develop everything from scratch, step by step. Thank you, and see you in the next session.